Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video of C++ programming for beginners. Today we are going to see a very common question you will be asked in examinations. So in this video, I'm going to build a program which user has to enter a year and a month as well. And the program has to write out how many days there is in that month. So let's see how to do that using switch case. But there's something I need to mention before starting our switch case. That is, we have to take into consideration that there are some years which are leap years, which there is an additional day for the month of February. And there's a rule which helps us to determine whether the year is a leap year or not. And that is the rule here. Any year which modulated by 4 gives 0, and at the same time that year modulated by 100 is not equal to 0, or the same year modulated by 400 is going to give the result of 0. So if this statement is true, the year will be a leap year, and if it is not true, it is not a leap year. So let's see how to do the rest of our program.